we're going up halfway to Mount Whitney Portal Road. It's supposed to be a really scenic drive. It's like one of the most scenic drives on the Eastern Sierra. So we're excited to check it out. We're not going to do the trail because the trail is like, I don't know, 13 miles or something crazy.
And it's a hard
climb up the mountain. So
8 hours up for your average climber, and then 2 to 3 hours less down.
Yeah. So we're just gonna do the drive and check out. There's supposed to be like the pond at the end of the drive and a little waterfall, which would be fun for the kids. And we packed our picnic, so it's gonna be a fun time together. We're gonna enjoy the drive. And Jack wants to be in the video. There you are, Jack.
Mom, get me in the video.
Oh, you're gonna have to peek out, buddy. Peek out.
Peek out.
There you are. Alright, both boys are in the video and we're driving right now. Super excited to explore.
Let's do it!
We are in Loden Pine, California, and we're camping at Alabama Hills. We're going to show you guys our campsite. You have to come here.
Take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes.
I gotta know, guys, how do you deal with the scary drives? If you've ever been on a scenic drive, it's normally with like a drop off like this on one side. I have to close my eyes because otherwise I'm freaking out. Ryan is
loving it.
Calm, as cool as a cucumber. He does not care. He can like shoot a video with one hand and drive with the other hand. It's crazy. It's not advised, but I've seen him do it. And I always freak out because
road narrows.
And road narrows. Ooh, the plot thickens.
That's a house up there. Check that out.
Okay, we made it to the top. I mean, halfway.
How you doing, dude?
The road stops there.
Mom.
The drive was beautiful. Ryan's getting all of our picnics.
Wish we could go higher.
Yes, but the road stopped here, so we're gonna go have a picnic with this view. What do you think, Jack?
Yo, yo, yo. What up? This cheddar dad here, this adventure family behind me, we are here, Mount Whitney. This is Mount Whitney right here, right?
Yeah, I think so.
1,400 and 500 feet.
Why not? Yeah, on these rocks. What do you think, Ryan?
Son?
I don't know if we're around one of those people.
I don't know. This little shady spot here.
Yeah. Oh, it's freezing cold. It's as cold as the other one. The inside.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go. With the sunlight on our skin, it's a brand new day. It's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
You gonna be good right there? You gonna poop?
Every step, writing stories that seem to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see
Coming.
we got everything we need.
That big rock and over.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. begin.
We just got to this creek crossing and we did this trail yesterday, but we only hiked for like 30 minutes up and 30 minutes down.
No. But they need to look like mouses.
Oh, I don't know. Armadillo?
No.
I don't know.
They need to look like mouses.
I don't know. So we're about 30 minutes up and we did this hike yesterday and we got 30 minutes up and then we went 30 minutes down. We weren't prepared to hike. So today we're attempting the whole thing, and this is Mount Whitney Trail to Lone Rock Lake. Mount Whitney Trail to Try again. Mount Whitney Trail to Lone Rock Lake. So we are determined to make it to the lake if nobody gets hurt. Let's go. No, don't rock. No rock. No rock. We'll climb later.
Okay.
Hiking with kids, man.
Okay.
It's so fun.
That's what this is all about.
Yes.
It's really just getting the kids.
Cookie Monster climb later.
Doing this without kids is very possible.
Cookie Monsters. Stick
Kids
later.
definitely add an element of extra load and extra challenge to the hike. But
it's definitely more of a mental.
Yeah, mental thing too.
It's definitely more of a mental.
But all that to say, it's totally worth it because there's so much character building that happens on the trail.
Can I go my head?
And then there's this too.
Okay, with that one.
You what?
With that one.
Are you supposed to sit right there in the shade?
You're supposed to sit right there.
Okay, so we're hiking.
So we get a lot of that, yeah. We move about 20 feet and then we
Stop. And then we go.
And then we go.
And then we fight.
But
Conflict
like I
resolution.
said, totally worth it. And I'm not just keep telling myself that.
Yeah, right.
Don't shoot the ground though. Don't shoot the ground.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming. We'll
how
keep
do I zoom
running.
in?
Nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road.
Alright guys, so
And a
it's been
chance
1
to see
hour.
a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Maybe halfway, I don't know.
Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
The natural sounds of the nature. Alright guys, so we just ran into a hiker who was coming down from the lake. He showed us a little map on his phone about how far we are and how far we still have to go. It was pretty intimidating, but we're still doing it. Brutal, guys. With the kids. Alright guys, so it's been about 1 hour and 40 minutes. We've had to resort to putting Jack on the shoulders, giving him the videos. I have the backpack now. Ty's got Benjamin. We're about 10,000 feet and climbing. But we're gonna do it. Oh man, we're definitely gonna do it. Hello.
2-hour check-in.
Better than halfway, I don't know.
We've been climbing up for 2 hours and 10 minutes now, and we are super duper close to the lake. We're like out of breath, taking a little break. The boys are the champs. At this point, my advice would be don't go hiking with kids. But that would not be true, but it's hard. We are definitely pushing ourselves on this hike. Definitely pushing our limits.
Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go.
Look, Eric, check this way.
It's a brand
I think
new
we have to
day.
go
It's ours to
this way.
take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure
Guys, we
begins.
made it!
Here we go.
We made it!
Wow, what a victory!
And now,
Oh,
on our
I guess
own
I'm gonna
we're
be the rotten
holding
avocado. It's okay.
Starting to see that we're on something. Feel it coming.
Look at those fresh legs.
I know.
Look at those fresh
It's
legs.
like I hiked the whole thing from there.
Need is an open road
You better catch up, Dad.
and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Guys, we climbed 2,000 feet straight up. Switch back up with our kids. I think we deserve some popsicles when we get down. For real. You guys see the lake? Woo! There's people camping here. That's something that's on our bucket list. It's definitely on our bucket list. We're gonna do a backpacking trip sometime. Check out this lake. Yeah. Made it!
Mom, look at it. Oh!
Jack, come down here, right?
Yeah. He,
Touched it?
yeah.
Whoa! It is cold. Don't touch too much. You get really, really cold. Alright guys, so we made it to the lake. It wasn't so bad. It was pretty hard at the beginning, but once we got a rhythm to it, we had our mindset to it. We were going to do it. We did it. Here's the view. $10,000 feet in the air. Beautiful, guys. It's beautiful.
Mom,
We did it.
wait.
We did it.
Wait.
We just hiked 6 miles.
Mom.
Exhausted.
Level of tiredness is way up there. You guys, this hike reminded me of the Blue Lake in North Cascades, but it was shorter by a mile. But it was like almost as hard. This one's way harder, and I'm just like so proud of ourselves and our boys too for doing it. And Benjamin's freezing. But we did it.
It was hard.
It was really, really hard. We definitely pushed our limits, but
Well, without the kids, it's doable.
yeah, we're in the parking lot now. We're gonna go get some dinner, and we deserved some popsicles. So we're gonna do that. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stick around for more adventures.